Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Monday.com for partner onboarding. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new board. Go to the top left of your Monday.com dashboard, click on the plus button, and select Board. This is where you'll keep track of all your partners and their onboarding progress. Having a dedicated board helps us stay organized and ensures no partner falls through the cracks. Now that we've done that, it's time to add our partners as items. Click on New Item, type in the partner's name, and hit Enter. We do this because each item represents a different partner, giving us a clear overview of who we're working with. Next up, we're going to add columns for each step of the onboarding process. Click on Add Column, then Text, and label it with a step in the onboarding process, like Introduction Email Sent. The reason we do this is to keep track of where each partner is in the process. It's a great visual aid and helps us stay on top of things. Now, let's make things even more interactive by adding status labels. Click on Add Column again, this time select Status. Here, you can color code your process steps like Done, In Progress, or Not Started. This helps us because it gives us a quick, colorful snapshot of our progress with each partner at a single glance. Once you've set up your columns and statuses, it's time to start updating them. Just click on a cell under a status column and select the right status. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is updating in real time, so you and your team always have the most current information. And there you have it. That's how you use Monday.com for partner onboarding. With this tool, you're well equipped to manage your partner relationships efficiently. As you can see, Monday.com makes the complex process of onboarding a breeze, keeping everything organized, transparent, and in one place. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.